Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Michelle with Prettiest Problem, and today I have a special video for you. So today I decided to do this bomb Valentine's Day tutorial. I know Valentine's Day is coming up and we all going out, you know? It's time to have a little romance in your life. So you want to be slayed for the occasion. So I decided to create this look. I hope you like this look. I have been having super cut crease vibes lately. I don't know what it is. I've never been like a huge, not saying I haven't been a fan of cut crease. I just kind of veered away from them. So I've been trying to get a little bit more acclimated to them and, you know, play around with them because they are bomb. I didn't use anything specific. I kind of just used random things that I had. But hopefully this gives you inspiration for your Valentine's Day and you make it nice and special and you are slayed, honey. Okay? This is a wig by RPG Hair, and I will also do a review on this wig. I also did a video on how I applied this wig and styled it, so I'll have that up in time for Valentine's Day as well if you're interested. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Share with your girlfriends so that they can be slayed too, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye. So I'm going to start with foundation on, and I'm using this Wet n Wild primer, well, this Wet n Wild concealer as a primer, and this is in the color medium tawny. Now I'm going into the Nubian palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to take that on a fluffy brush on the higher part of my brow bone as a transition color. Then I'm going to go in with this red brown shade from the same palette on the same fluffy brush. I'm going to take it a little bit lower just to warm up my crease. Now I'm going to go in with the darkest shade in this palette. I'm going to take a smaller blending brush and I'm using that in the outer V and pulling it inwards. And this is just to create some definition in my crease. I'm slowly building it and blending it in. Now I'm taking the darkest color in the Prettiest Pro palette by Tarte, and this is in the color Punk. I'm taking that on the outer V and really building up that crease to get a nice smoky effect. Now I'm going in with the color Whimsy in that same palette because I wanted a little bit of hint of orange in the transition. Now I'm taking the Wet n Wild concealer and I'm going to carve out my crease, and this you really have to take your time with so that you can get a nice rounded shape. Now I'm taking Urban Decay's glitter glue and I'm just packing that all over the portion of the lid that I applied concealer. Now I'm using MAC's pigment in the color Melon, and I'm just going to spray my brush with a little bit of Fix Plus and pack that all over the lid where I placed that concealer and glitter glue. Now I'm going back into the color Punk and I'm just going to deepen up the outer V and I'm going to blend it in to that golden color. Now I'm taking the e.l.f. gel color in the color Black and I'm creating a winged line. Take your time with this. And then I'm just going to apply some mascara on my eyelashes. Now I am going to tightline my eye with the color Feline by MAC, and that's in a kohl pencil. And I applied some lashes by Vegas Nay. I think the brand is Eyelure. Now I'm just going to highlight in all the normal places, under my eyes, down my nose, and I'm using that same Wet n Wild concealer in the color medium tawny. And I'm just going to blend that out with a small Real Techniques blending sponge. Now I'm going to set all of the highlight with my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm going to pack my beauty blender until it fades away. I'm just going to apply it everywhere I blended in the concealer. Now I'm going to contour with my favorite foundation stick, Black Opal, in the color Beautiful Bronze. I'm just going to apply some in the hollows of my cheek, or where I want the hollows to be. And I'm going to take dots all over my forehead, and then I'm going to blend it in with a Real Techniques brush. And I'm just going to kind of do circular motions, and I just blend it in. And I take a little bit of the excess product that's left on the brush, and I blend it in around my jawbones. Then I squeeze the brush and contour down the sides of my nose, which this serves as a base for the powder that I apply later. Now I'm just taking the Loose Fit Me powder in the color 30, and I'm applying it all over my face to set the rest of my makeup. After that, I'm using Kat Von D's Shade and Light palette. And I'm going to take the medium color and bronze up the perimeter of my face. I'm going to put it everywhere I use that Black Opal foundation stick, including down the sides of my nose. Now I'm going to take that darkest color in the Kat Von D palette and just kind of deepen up my cheek contour. Dance break. Now I'm going to take the e.l.f. blush in the color Twinkle Pink. I have been loving this blush. It's only $2. And I'm going to apply it on the apples of my cheek and also pull it back towards my contour. Now I'm taking MAC's Extra Dimension Shimmering Finish, I think it is. And this is in the color Oh Darling. And I'm just going to apply that on the tops of my cheekbones and down my Cupid's bow. Now I'm going to take the lip liner in the color Chestnut by MAC and just apply that to my lips. It's a little bit dark. I would much rather the color Cork, but they were out of stock when I purchased this one. Now I'm going to apply Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the color Naked, which is a beautiful, beautiful color, especially when you line your lips. And now I'm going to take Milani's new lip plumper in the color Champagne. I love this lip plumper. I love the applicator as well. This is a really nice product. And I'm just going to apply that over top. Now I'm going to take my Fix Plus spray in the scent Coconuts, which I absolutely love. I forgot to do the bottom of my eyes. So I'm going to go back in with that feline pencil. I'm just going to waterline my eyes. Now I'm going to take that lighter shade again from Juvia's Place palette and try to blend that underneath my waterline. Then I'm going to take the red brown color and I'm going to blend that in because the lighter color really didn't do too much. And lastly, I'm going to take that color Punk and just kind of blend that into the actual eye kohl, which helps to set it. Now I'm using this Becca highlight in the color Opal, and I'm going to use that in the inner tear duct as a highlight and a little bit more on my Cupid's bow. Then finally, I'm going to apply some mascara on my bottom lashes, and this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoy your Valentine's Day, and I will catch you guys in my next video.